How to enter Wayfair promo code 2026 full guide. You found a Wayfair promo code, but you cannot figure out where to enter it at checkout. You are not alone. Wayfair hides the promo code box deeper in the checkout process than most stores. Today I am showing you exactly where to find it and what to do if your code is not working. First, something important. Wayfair rarely sends coupons. Most savings come through daily deals and seasonal sales like Way Day. But when they do send codes, they are personalized and sent directly to customers. If you have one, here is how to use it. Step 1. Add all your items to your cart first. Make sure you meet any minimum purchase requirements before trying to apply a code. Step 2. Click Cart in the top right corner and review your full cart. Step 3. Look for the Add Gift Card promo code link right under the Proceed to Checkout button on the cart page. Click it, type your code, and hit Apply. Step 4. If you do not see that option on the cart page, click Proceed to Checkout, log in or create an account, and keep going until you reach the payment info screen. That is where you will find the box labeled Use a Gift Card Promotion. Enter your code there and the discount will reflect in your total. Step 5. Verify the discount applied before completing your order. If it did not work, check for typos, extra spaces, or character confusion like the letter O versus 0. Make sure the code has not expired. Remember, Wayfair only allows one promo code per order and each code is valid for a single use only. If the code is returned or canceled, it cannot be reused. Now here is your pro tip. If you do not have a promo code, sign up for Wayfair's email newsletter and you will get 10% off your first order, saving up to $150. But it expires 7 days after issuance, so do not sign up until you are ready to buy. Quick recap. Add items to cart. Look for the promo code field on the cart page or on the payment screen, enter your code, verify the discount, and complete your order. If this saved you money, hit like and subscribe for more shopping tips. Drop a comment and tell me how much you saved. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.